Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can play the Squid game, like doll game. I don't know what it's called, red light, green light game on Google. So you are just going to go to your preferred browser, just type in a Squid game to Google, and then I'm just going to type that in. And if you scroll down a little bit, this will show up. This square thing will show up, and you're just going to select that. Make sure you have your audio on so that you can listen to the doll talking, I guess. I don't know what the actual meaning of what they say in the movie. So you're just going to select this brown thing, and let's just start playing. There's this button where it tells you to go and stop. I'll show you in a minute. Okay, I lost one person, but to be fair, I'm screen recording, so I can't really hear it. I can barely hear it. So that's how you can play the Squid game, the Squid game on your phone. I don't know if you can play it on PC. I feel like you can. Just type in Squid game, and again, just select the square icon and just play. So zero, the circle for go and the X for stop. You're going to want to stop when the doll stops saying it or singing it. I don't know. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.